Letstrack SOS helps you instantly alert your emergency contacts when you need help and stay connected wherever you go. And with the Letstrack ecosystem, you can also track pets, valuables, luggage, and even inventory, all in one secure app. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use the SOS feature in the Letstrack app. Tap the SOS button to start an emergency alarm. Add 2 emergency contacts. This is a one-time setup and won't be required again. Now, make sure your emergency contacts download the Letstrack app. This is crucial. Without it, they won't receive your SOS alerts. To activate the emergency alarm, tap SOS. A 10-second countdown begins, giving you time to cancel if the alarm was triggered accidentally. If cancelled within 10 seconds, the SOS alarm will not be sent. If the SOS alert is not cancelled, it will be automatically sent to your emergency contacts. If you have enabled the 24/7 call alert, calls will also be triggered to the stored numbers. Now let's see what happens when the SOS alarm is triggered in the Letstrack app. Your emergency contacts will receive an SOS alarm. If you are subscribed to the 24/7 monitoring feature, your emergency contact will receive an alarm and an automatic call if subscribed. Otherwise, they will receive an alert with your location. Thanks for watching. Track smarter, reunite faster, and worry less. Explore the full Letstrack ecosystem. Track pets, valuables, and more.
Letstrack. Put your world in your hands.